Alright, so you have some Chinese are coming to the island now. I do mechanic work, and a lot of people, it 50-50. You have some people that love it, because they say the Chinese better than our mechanic. And you have some people that don't like it, because they say they take away the local work from our mechanic. What do you think about that?
Me think long and hard about this. Me think about it, but we as Jamaicans, we kind of adapt like the American culture a little bit too much. We like everybody out there want sit back and relax and live life.
No, put in the work.
No, you know, no production, you know. We just want the luxury. Just like America just want to send everything to China and just wear luxury brand, Louis Vuittons and Balenciagas and Ray and Ra.
Them not do the work
without actually doing the work. That is how Jamaicans.
So it's America rub off on we.
By far. We Americanized. That must be America we act like.
Yeah.
And we go to them with out in our backyard too, so it's like our motherland.
Yeah.
And that them really, them South Africa, our motherland, but they come to America.
The Chinese know them hard working. Their culture is hard work.
So them no mind, if we are like that, we're going to want to put people to work.
Right.
Because nobody wants to do it. Alright, which look a young youth here now want to become mechanic.
That's a chopper.
Unless him get forced to that.
Him father for mechanic car, this is some force. Something happen when end up in that.
Boy, you just start fooling around garage until you learn of him.
Yeah.
Because you know nothing else to do.
That's true.
That's a young youth that thought mechanic.
That's true.
Nobody no see car and love car like that and say, yo, that is
I
what
want
I really
to be
want
a mechanic.
to do.
Yeah. So
they prefer drive the Benz than learn to fix the Benz.
So the genuine love feet never really dead. Them only do it for the money.
You know dead, bro. So really and truly what I go on now is when you see the Chinese, them are like that. They want to step in and do it because there's a need for it. There's a demand for it.
Cause the amount of car there in Jamaica right now.
Yeah, and then a whole heap of them car come here.
Yeah, the Chinese car them start coming here now.
Chinese, whatever they want to be, but there's a lot of them coming here. See, and they know about them.
Yeah.
More than we.
Are true.
So check 5 to 10 years down the line, we will have to maybe accept a Chinese mechanic shop.
But it's gonna be more. This is just the start.
Because them so much of them vehicles come here, we don't understand them.
Yeah, it's just like road. We can make road too, but the Chinese them more efficient.
Alright, look on this. I try to show you a thing. If you check around the place right now, you're trying to see how much white man own one European car shop, mechanic shop. You understand me I say? You will have a mechanic shop where does deal with BMW and whatever. Check if maybe I know one white man own it.
One white man own it.
I saw the thing go out there so you understand me I say?
Yeah man.
So
we not have the love we're supposed to have for it.
Yeah, that we're not willing to learn, bro.
Yeah.
One of few man, one you can count on your one hand. The man them we can fix one BMW and one Benz or so. I want hard.
True.
The real way. When I talk about it, bitch up.
And the opportunity there. So the youth them the opportunity there, go learn the thing and master the thing.
Yeah, that.
So Mr. Chin and Mr. White have to come here and take your jobs from you.
Yeah, and even if you love it that much, sometimes you have to just seek the way to do it.
Yeah.
Go overseas, go learn it and come back and invest.
True. Good advice right there, so.
Yeah. You have to do that too, brother, because we need, if you're not going to import so much of them, we're going to need mechanics to deal with them.
Again, our local mechanic them will make it bad for ourselves, because I don't know if you hear about that story upon social media. My brother said him give the mechanic the car for fix, so him give him say like Thursday.
Yeah.
And the man said Sunday come, him still not get back him car, so him go beach with him family. Wherever how him reach out
and car that him say?
The mechanic. The mechanic can pull up with him woman. You know, him car come a beach and bring mechanic and bring him home on a beach. You know,
the car when now work.
Tell the brother said the car already yet, not done yet.
Remember the car, my car come give you for your fix for work, you know, if you can't drive, you know. But you are driving.
You are driving. And say, buck up the mechanic at beach. And I wait him out. So we make things bad for ourselves.
Something wrong with the money.
So him now, what you think about God? If I go and Mr. Chin next time, him not go back at that.
Not time for waste with you and the foolish the antics. Yeah, them you swear you see how the scenario just get. And them little thing there.
Yeah, but
I'm sure the thing.
Make it bad for our own ourselves.
Bro. So yeah, but some I gotta tell you say it good for we.
Yeah.
But if we don't fix up ourselves, it's going to happen.
It's going to happen.
It's just that simple.
Yeah, man.
If we don't learn how to do things, that's why America ball right now, brother.
Because them not do nothing themselves.
Give up all of them.
Because what Trump are doing, Trump now block the countries that is doing all the manufacturing for them.
Who are going to do it?
Who are going to do it?
Who are going to do it? Yeah, celebrity, be a celebrity thing. Them are now. Everybody are now celebrity thing now, brother. And I want to wear designer brands, and just want to sit down at courts at the basketball games, and just boasting it, hypeness, and drive the biggest car, and live in the biggest house. Hypeness, everybody are now. But who want to do the? Nobody no want to do the work for each other.
Yeah.
You get me? We prefer scam and thief. Yeah. So and it's not, to me, it's not just black culture, is across the board, because white people lazy over there too.
Yeah, man. That's why I said the American culture rub off on we.
America overall, you know. I'm not gonna say just black culture and white culture.
The American culture.
The American culture.
The rub off on the world.
A whole lot of people left from them original country. People left from China, people left from Italy, people left from Poland, people left from all about. And say as soon as in Japan, American style, Caribbean.
Yeah.
Them get so Americanized and it's like, you get them, I try to show you. Yeah, so, the lifestyle, them no, them roots and them so, them forget.
Forget about it. Culture is a hell of a thing.
Yeah,
and America really rub off on everybody.
Celebrity culture. Yeah, so I go.